So this is the recording for Raigad Fort. I'm doing it for the first time, so not really sure how to go about this. So yeah, this is just one video which I'm trying to record. I actually vlogged on my GoPro, the whole thing. I just want to talk about the day and how I walked out with such great feeling and also a lot of gratitude.
Jai! Jai Shivaji! Jai Shivaji!
So the day started quite early. We woke up at around 3 o'clock and we had booked a scheduled outstation, Ola outstation at 4 a.m. And when we woke up, we saw that our cab driver was asleep and he wasn't picking a call.
ड्राइवर ने कैंसिल किया बुकिंग.
So he had basically ghosted us. So we had to book another cab, cancel that.
4:30 तक आ जाएगा.
Are you excited?
Yes.
And we got another one. I guess like after 2 tries, we finally found one. And we left at 5 a.m. Saurabh, who was staying with me, giving a great company, didn't sleep all night. He was that excited. Saurabh, little introduction about him. He is a very good friend. We worked together in a previous company.
Meet me after 6 months. I'll be in better shape.
So this vlog and recording is mostly about my friend Saurabh, emotions of Maharastra and the greatest king who still lives in people's heart, Maharaj Chatrapathi Shivaji. I seriously didn't know what to expect when I packed my bags and left for Pune. It was first time away from my home and this long, and I didn't know what Pune or Maharashtra would have for me. Explored a lot of places around with some of my friends in Pune, and then finally after getting some work done, we decided to check this trek off our list before we left Pune. So one day before leaving Pune, we scheduled this one. We were sure it's going to be super hot in the noon. That's why we wanted to leave early and finish it by noon and get back. On the way to the venue, Saurabh got some sleep in the car, and once he woke up, he was very excited. He was actually watching travel vlogs of Raigad Fort before we went there. He always dreamt of going here and told stories of Shivaji Maharaj with so much pride. He also convinced me to watch a Marathi movie to understand the culture and loyalty of people and what they felt towards him. It had still not hit me and I ignored it somewhere. I was like, okay, he was another king. But when we reached the location around 9 a.m. after a small breakfast,
ये चल रहा है recording.
नहीं चल रहा है.
ये इधर 21, 22 चल रहा है.
we started climbing the fort. Big steps, high rocks and steep climb. As the fort was on top of the hill, it was almost 1 hour trek to the top. There was a ropeway as well, but we decided to climb by foot. As we started climbing, things started to change for me. A lot of people around were playing songs of Shivaji Maharaj and chanting songs. More than any other trek, it started feeling like a pilgrimage and people coming to visit their god or deity. I couldn't understand a lot of it because it was in Marathi. But man, I still had goosebumps hearing to the chants, and the feeling was surreal in that moment, and it is very difficult for me to explain what it was. But as the climb got steeper, the love and faith of people in Chatrapathi Shivaji Maharaj made me completely in awe. Proud to be born in this great nation where he ruled, and also made me question what were his qualities as a leader that people still hold so much respect and love towards him. This is not something you can buy with money. I'm sure back in the time it wouldn't be the richest kingdom either, but love and people taking pride in, that's my leader. and I am from this kingdom. That would have meant so much more back in the time. The tourist guide speaking about his glory as if he lived with Shivaji Maharaj, and the pride with which he told his achievements and love towards people and loyalty people had towards him always got me goosebumps. This was the first time I saw people singing song about a human king in front of Lord Shiva and worshipped Shivaji Maharaj before him. Probably this is what is the beauty of our culture, of our nation. We see God in good and love and greatness. When we are worshipping them, we are worshipping those qualities in them and telling our children to imbibe those qualities in their lives. No wonder there is only one Rashtra in our country with Maha in it. Someone made it Mahan. And today people feel proud belonging to once upon a time a great kingdom and today a highest tax paying state of a nation. This trick showed and spoke a lot about Maharashtra, the people here, the love they have for everyone, and of course the greatest king who will continue to live in our hearts forever. Saurabh thanked me for fulfilling his childhood dream, for being here.
Thank you so much Mr. Saurabh BZ/Kumar और क्या है / सब कुछ.
And I thanked him for showing me a beautiful part of India which I wouldn't have seen or understood without him. Heading next to Aurangabad with a halt in Mumbai. Thank you for seeing this video, and until the next video, few more realizations and learning from traveling around India on my bike.
छत्रपति वीर शिवा चमके तेज तिलक तलवार शिवाजी ओ शम